First, to get instant access to the AI tool for plumbers, you need to complete an offer or complete a survey from the provided ones. So you can choose whichever you like depending on your region, and once the offer or the survey is completed, you will get instant access to your free AI tool. This is to prevent unauthorized access from bots. So here's the link you will get. First, you need to make a copy of the Google Sheet tool, and by doing this, you will put it on your Gmail account. So you need to be logged in on Gmail. First thing first, you can see there are many templates here for generating content. These are all specifically tailored for plumbers and for local businesses. So let's start by putting our OpenAI key here. This Google AI tool works with your own OpenAI API key. And once you generate the key, you can place it here and start generating content. So let's say I already have my OpenAI account from here. I can create a new key, let's say AI tool for plumbers. Create a key. Copy. My key is ready, and I will just put it here now. Here you can put the model you want to use in generating your content. So this is the latest one from OpenAI. It's a GPT-4 model, but you can put a different one if you want. So for example, you can put GPT-4 Turbo, or maybe you want to use the old GPT 3.5 model, which is much more cheaper. But we will stick now for the time being with this newest model. Now the AI tool is ready for use. The second step for configuring the tool is to put your business information. That can be done on the first tab called Input. So you need to put your business name. I put an example business here, Royal Plumbing Services. You need to put your location, the city or the region. You need to put a brief about us info about your business, your team, your unique selling proposition maybe, your business, your industry. In this case, it will be plumbing. You can put few business services. You can put your target audience, which can be homeowners. You know your target audience the best. And the latest field is about tone of voice for generating the content. I've put a default informative tone, but from the drop-down list, you can see many other tones of voice. Maybe you can use professional, friendly, but we will stick for now with informative. Let's see now how to generate content. So you can see how my business info is automatically populated here with formulas, so you don't need to place it every time. All of these fields with yellow are taken from the Input tab automatically. And these fields with blue, you can make changes here. You can put how much you want the post length to be. If you want to use emojis, hashtags, passive or active voice, and perspective for writing. For example, first person, second, or third person. I've put now an example keyword for which I want to generate Facebook post, Twitter post, Instagram caption, Google My Business post, and LinkedIn post. These here at the top row are the prompts. The prompts use the formulas from the business info, and this is why this tool is unique, because it uses specific info that is not general, like the content that ChatGPT provides. This content will be specifically tailored to your business. Let's say I want to use the keyword tips on how to unclog a sink. And to generate the content for all of these profiles, I will just go to GPT menu, send request. Now for the first time when you're running this script, you need to authorize it, which is perfectly safe. You can use your Gmail account here. Ignore this, it is safe. Go to AI code and allow. But if you have some concerns, you can use maybe a different Gmail. Now let's run it again, and you can see how the tool will start generating content for each of these social networks that are provided here. One by one, I've generated all posts in bulk. So you can see this is specifically for my business, Royal Plumbing Services. So it's using some nice features here. And if you don't like a specific post, for example, I don't like a Twitter X post, I will just delete it. I can choose here that I don't want emojis and I don't want hashtags. So I've excluded emojis and hashtags. And I will just use another request and it will fulfill just this post here for Twitter. If you want to put multiple keywords here, let's say I want to write about how to prevent frozen pipes in winter. I will just add my keywords here, and I will generate content in bulk again. So you can see now it generates content, and it doesn't have emojis or hashtags, and it's much simpler. Once it's done for this keyword, the script will automatically finish. And you can see the spending in your Open account if you want. You can just go to usage and you will see how much you've spent on this content generation. The spending is low, and it's a lot cheaper to use AI this way instead of paying for expensive AI tools. The next template is content topic ideas. For example, I want to write a blog post. This time, we don't have templates for writing full blog posts, but in future, this tool will be updated. That's why it's important to subscribe and get the latest updates. So let's say I have a keyword unclog a sink, and when I click send request, I will get 5 suggestions for writing blog posts. These titles are SEO optimized by having this keyword in mind for the title. The other template is writing GMB service. This is another unique feature of this tool because we've put many different services in the drop-down menu here. These are the most used services that the business owners in your industry are using on their Google business profiles. You can choose multiple services from here, or if you don't want from the provided, you can just delete the drop-down and put your custom service here. Select your services here, and you will see where will we put these services. We have content for 3 services now. Let's say I'm writing about leak detection, and when I go to my Google business profile, let's say this is my business profile, and from edit services here, I will add a new service, which will be leak detection. And I will just put the description generated with AI, and now it will be optimized for this service. That's it for this GMB services template. As you can see, there are like 50 or 60 services that are mostly used by plumbers. For the FAQs generation template, you can see these FAQs in your business profile, and you can just add a question. Let's say my topic is emergency plumbing services. And my AI tool will generate 3 frequently asked questions that I can just ask and answer myself. The next template is meta descriptions. You can just put the title and your whole blog post, and the tool will generate an optimized meta description that you can use on your blog posts. The next one is writing an About Us page if you don't already have one. We don't need to put anything here because you already have the business info, and you will just generate the About Us page. I'll just cancel this because it's done, and you can see it already generated, the full About Us page. For the Service Pages template, you can create these service pages on your website by choosing from the provided ones. But you can also delete the drop-down, and you can put a custom service. You can see it's nicely written, and you can start ranking for multiple services on your website. Okay, moving to the next one, the Service Areas template. So let's say your business is servicing multiple areas within your proximity, maybe within 10 kilometers or miles, and you will just put all the service areas here, and once you click Send Request, it will generate content for this service area, along with frequently asked questions. So it's a good idea to have multiple service areas on your website to rank locally for these areas. The last one is PPC. You can put a campaign idea here, and the tool will generate Facebook ads and different Google ads. You can put many keywords here, like in the other templates, and you can see how the ads are generated here. For Facebook and for Google, you have multiple Google Ads headlines that you can use in your campaigns. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. This AI tool is yours for free to use and have fun with it. Click on the link below for instant access.